Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl's going to do a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay loves, so this unit is courtesy of SAMS Beauty. They were kind enough to send your girl a couple of different units, and so this is actually a human hair unit. So the thing that I love about this unit is the fact that it's so effortless. And so let me give you guys all the deets, and then I'm going to just go into more details about how I feel about this unit. And so as you guys already know, this unit is courtesy of SAMS Beauty. It is actually from the Absolute Luxury UPSCALE line. That's at SAMS Beauty. It says it's 100% virgin REMI human hair. So this is the package it came in, and what I'm actually rocking right now is a deep part lace wig. It's in the style deep wave, 24 inches, and it's in the color natural. And so yes, this is a human hair unit. It's kind of like a synthetic unit, but it's human hair. So with synthetic units, some of my synthetic units, I usually do not have to use like got to be glue, or got to be freeze or boho glue or anything. I can use my wig grip, and the wig grip allows for the unit to be secure, as well as for me to take it off if I want to take it off at night or put a whole different look on the very next day. And I didn't have to worry about bleaching the knots. I feel like if I bleached the knots, it might not have made a difference anyway. That's the parting space that you get. The parting space isn't too bad. I just used the curling iron to kind of flatten it a little bit because it was a little bit humpy. I did try to put some powder there, but I don't think the powder made a difference one way or another. It didn't require baby hairs, but I just chose to do some baby hairs right here in the middle and then right here on the side. Now I will say it's definitely big hair friendly. This tab right here is actually hanging off, so if you guys can see that. So I could cut this off because it's way over, you know, my hairline. It's over my ear, under my ear, you know, it's by my ear. However, I do believe that I'm going to actually give this unit away so that those that like to wear wigs get to slay too, because I know for me, I wasn't always you know, an expert at, you know, bleaching knots and melting the lace down and just making it look very natural. So that's what I have actually been doing. I want to say this is probably my second or third year. Like, I've given out wigs before. I don't just sell wigs, I actually do give some away, and it's at my discretion. And so I kind of already have the person in mind who I think would definitely benefit. This person is just, I noticed them, I see them, they are hardworking, single parent, and I remember that life, you know, I remember that life, and I'm just glad that I'm in a position to where I can help, even if it's so minor or if it just makes a difference to make their life easier. And so I'm just super excited that I've just been afforded that, you know, that opportunity. And so I thank SAMS Beauty, because I couldn't do it without SAMS Beauty sending me this gorgeous unit. As far as the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I did run into a few tangles when I was trying to comb it out, but I'm not running into any tangles right now. This hair is so soft, y'all. Like, it's so soft. I love the luster of this unit. Now y'all know me, because I do have, you know, a variety of hair, I have a preference. So for me, my preference is I love a lot of hair, I love body, I love volume. This unit is not giving me that up top. So up top is very thin. It's even to the point where I can kind of see the net of this unit. And so I was like, oh crap, are you going to be able to see it? But luckily I don't think you can. Now if you guys see it on camera, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But again, I still think that it's very beginner friendly, and if you wear the hair in its natural state, you definitely won't be able to see it. I did try to straighten it, or I was going to straighten it. However, the girl wasted her money. I seen this flat iron on Facebook. That's my problem. And it gave the illusion that it was going to straighten this hair bone straight. And I ran this straightener through the hair at least 3-4 times, and it just was not getting straight. And I feel like my other flat iron would have knocked it out no problem. So then I was just like, I don't even feel like straightening it no more. Let me go ahead and curl it. So that's how these curls came about. So yeah, I do love the final product. Of course, I would have, you know, if you guys see this in the video, don't mind it, I would have cut it. But if the person's head is larger than mine, I wanted to leave it for that person. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. It should be a very quick video. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you guys are enjoying your holiday season, spending time with family, giving back to the less fortunate, and just enjoying life. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.